16 minus 4 divided by 2, open parentheses, 5 minus 1, close parentheses. What's the value of this expression? Pause the video and think about it. So whenever you have orders of operations, I mean several operations, multiplications, divisions, parentheses, subtractions, you name it, any type of operations, you must learn how to follow the correct order. You can't just go from left to right. It's impossible. So what is the correct order of operations? It is called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym. So let's learn what PEMDAS is. P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. Here we have the highest priority, and finally here we have the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first and do what's inside the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority. Then you are allowed to go for exponents. Then you can go for multiplication and division from left to right. So keep in mind, they have the same priority. And finally, you can go for addition and subtraction. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So learn PEMDAS, never be lost. That being said, let's do the original expression. So ask yourself this question. Do we have any parentheses in the original expression? Yes, we do. Here is the parentheses. So before anything else, we must do the parentheses. Let's write down everything else. 60 minus 4 divided by 2. And then 5 minus 4 inside the parentheses gives us 5 minus 1 gives us 4. So now there is no more parentheses. Do we have any exponents? No exponents. Do we have any multiplication and division? Yes, we do. But we must go from left to right. So 60 minus 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and then times 4. We have another multiplication. It means that we must do this before the subtraction. So 60 minus 2 times 4 gives us 8. And 60 minus 8 gives us 52. And that's the only correct answer according to PEMDAS. So I added this for your homework. I added an exponent to the brackets, the parentheses, so make sure to put it in the comments below, and subscribe to your the video, to your channel, Prime Logic, to support and motivate me, and like the video if you haven't already. All the best to you, my dear students.